So guys, today we are stepping into the life of Peter Parker, a normal science student whose financial conditions are, well, let's not talk about that. Anyways, his life changes completely when a radioactive spider bites him, because not only he survived, but he became a superhero, a protector of New York, the Spider-Man. So, let's jump right into the video. How's it going, everyone? And today I have brought you a new series, Marvel Spider-Man. We'll play the Werewolves Meet later because the storyline is really tragic of that game. Anyways, today I'm really excited to play this game. Let's begin. Can't even express my excitement. Okay, they are giving me instructions how to sing, how to jump, and do the cool tricks. Yuri Watanabe. Okay, I guess she's the one who, informs me about all the criminal activities. She's telling me that there is this Fisk guy who's apparently destroying the city. Okay, so let's do some Spidey stuff and save the civilians from thugs of Fisk. Okay, so I'm here. You, things are really serious here. They're open firing on police officers. If I would have been a little bit late, they would have been all dead by now. But don't worry, guys. Spider-Man is here. I will rescue everyone. I will save everyone. Wait, why are they backing off? Are they bringing Rhino or something? I've seen Spider-Man movies, so... Oh, is that a truck? You chill, brother, chill. It's not that serious. Yo, what the hell? Was that thing loaded with artists or something? Don't worry, Spider-Man, where are you? Come on. Nice. Bro, snatching all the weapons. Okay, so let's kick these guys' ass. Use F to web strike. Okay, this is Peter Tingle. Whenever this rings, someone is attacking. Oh shit. Even I have Peter Tingle, still I am getting attacked. Don't worry. Oh, I can even throw a freaking manhole. Nice. I can go to the... Wow. Combat of this game is crazy. Marvel, you don't only make good movies, you also make good games. Even these guys have backup. But our New York police doesn't have any backup. Aren't we paying enough tax? You dare shoot the one and only Spider-Man? Don't you know I'm bulletproof? Stupid idiots. Damn you guys. Oh, I can... Did I send that guy? Yo! These guys, I'm fighting them in the air and I can... Whoa. I'm obsessed, bro. I'm going to be obsessed by this game. I can fight these guys all day. Whoa. Oh my god, my throat. Why am I yelling in the voiceover though? I don't know. Anyways, I am done, so let's go and help Yuri Watanabe. So she's fighting some guys over there, and I believe she can do it alone. Did I spoke too soon? I guess we should quickly go there. Okay, so I have reached the Fisk Tower and hopefully my secret agent Yuri is okay. Well, she's not a secret agent or something. She just informs me about all the criminal activities, So I think she's okay. At least let me see her face. Ooh.
Lock down the airspace.
Yuri, you okay?
If he makes it out of that building, we're gonna lose him.
No, we can't lose him. Don't worry. I will catch him.
Do your thing.
Let me just web them.
Hey, where you going?
Join this guy and throw him through the window, and let's start beating these guys' ass too. Well, I love the combat of this game, so it's not gonna be too hard. As expected, it was really fun. I threw some weird stuff at them, webbed a guy into the wall, sent a guy flying, and with some more acrobatic skills, they all are dead. Now let's move to the upper floor. Now you guys are coming. See, I am a civilian too, okay? You should be protecting me. Instead, I am protecting you. You are trying to take elevator while the building is hijacked. Really? Do you think elevator will work? But don't worry, Spider-Man will make the elevator work. Let's just casually walk on the wall.
Heading to the upper floor.
Now let's go into the vent. I always forget that I'm a spider too, and spider always makes the home in dirty places. But even though the super villain is a bad guy, this guy keeps his vent super clean.
They're wiping all their data servers. We need that evidence if we want to put him away for good.
Okay.
So we have to go to the server room to collect the evidence. Let me just first turn on the subtitles for you guys. It's for you guys, okay? Not for me. It's not like I can't understand English. To be honest, it's for me, okay? Don't tell anyone. I'm doing nothing. I'm just playing a video game. What's up?
What's up?
Okay, so our excuse is watching a superhero movie. Well, I'm not a big fan of lying, so I just said the truth. Technically, I'm playing game, okay? The guy who is fighting is Peter Parker. A full focus bar can be used to perform a finisher. Okay, let's try to perform some finishers on firstly this guy. Ooh, nice, cool moves you got there. They can become a dancer. Now this guy. Okay, so finisher basically means finishing someone in one hit alongside with farming some aura. Look at the moves, bro. Like, oh my god, so cool. Okay, now where do I... Oh, vent. Definitely here. The favorite thing of spiders. Why do I always forget that there's always that one vent in which spiders crawl around? Ooh, we can do a vent takedown. Bro just yoinked one of the guys between them. Like they didn't even notice. Okay, now let's jump in. Oh shoot, a timer is going on. Oh, forget timer, I didn't even explain to you the whole backstory. So while I fight these guys, let me explain you the story. So basically, Fisk is a villain, but he shows in public that he is the one saving the New York City. So basically, a corrupt political leader, but he is not a leader, he is the owner of a private company. Anyways, now, police found some illegal businesses of Fisk industry, but if they put Fisk in jail with all that evidences, he would be released in about 2-3 years, as the evidence is not that big. But Yuri told me that maybe we can find some big evidences on company's main system. So here I am hacking the main system, trying to stop the timer so that all the data doesn't get deleted. Anyways, ooh, Wilson Fisk, how are you? Do you think I can't hack this and I can't stop the timer?
You're still just an ignorant child.
Really? Ignorant child? This ignorant child is gonna put you behind bars for your entire life. Okay, evidence is secured. Oh no. We have to fight these guys. Oh, come on. I defeated hundreds and thousands of your thugs. And still you think you can defeat me? I'm the great Spider-Man, okay? Let me just throw this unknown substance on his head and... oh my god, bro got electrified. Anyways, oh my god! What are you doing, Fisk? We have already secured all the evidences. Surrender, okay? More men. Oh, come on, bro. Why don't you get the concept? You can't defeat me. Oh, these guys have this time guns too. They were fighting with only hands before. Anyways, now this one too. Now let's go to upper floor. And now you guys are coming. Really, bro? I'm literally clearing every floor for you. And you are just walking up the stairs. Oh, some guys are screaming for help. Okay, I will go save them and you call the bomb squad. But why are so many explosions occurring? I don't get it. Oh shit, damn. There's really so much fire here. I think there are more guys stuck behind this log and more people back there. Okay, here. Wait. Don't tell me I have to lift this thing up. I became Spider-Man like 2 days ago. You expect me to lift this? Are you freaking serious? Oh, I can lift this. Nice. Just as I was believing in myself, you added more weight. Nice. But don't worry. I'm a superhuman. I can lift this like a piece of cake. Come on, lady, move already. This girl, oh my god, come. If that lady would have moved faster, I wouldn't have been stuck by now.
Okay, Willie.
But don't worry.
Coming your way.
There should be a vent.
It's Yuri.
Nice.
How we
Okay,
doing, Captain?
let me talk to Yuri.
Could be stopping
Okay,
for
so
land.
Yuri told me
No one
that
to
our
chase him,
chopper
he
is
flies away.
down. So basically, if Fisk calls in a chopper and flies away, then we will not be able to stop him because we don't have a chopper. So we have to stop him quickly, like really quickly. Is that what I think it is? Yeah, it is a freaking bazooka. Anyways, let me web him up, beat his ass, and boom, finish. Wait, more bazooka guys? Who the hell is supplying these guys with bazookas? Even after securing all the evidences against Fisk Company, we are still trying to stop the William Fisk to fly away. Like, what was even the point of securing all the evidences? Anyways, now, where is this Fisk guy? Oh, come on! How many of you guys are there? Let me use a finishing move and boom! Finished! Moving on, there is literally too many obstacles in the way. Anyways, so the bomb squad is here. The cops trusting the Spider-Man. That's not what you see every day. Noted, guys. This is something unrealistic in this game. Did I spoke too soon? Oh shit. Why are you guys attacking me? Oh, okay. These guys, I think, are Fisk bandits, like disguised in police uniforms, you know, because he said on the call, heads up boss, something like that. Anyways, let me delete these obstacles too quickly. I'm so exhausted. Why don't you send your real boss, William Fisk? Okay, so guys, I will directly meet you when I see a boss fight. Wow, so expensive mansion, huh? Can you please pay my bills? I will let you go through the chopper. Just pay my bills. Okay, we should not do that. I am the superhero. I am the protector of New York
Writing
City.
your memoirs?
Is he writing his last wishes or something?
Get the chopper ready. I
Oh,
will be
trust me, buddy. You aren't leaving anytime soon. Well, he's a normal human, right? So, what is he gonna do? I'm a superhuman. He can't defeat me.
ends now.
Does he have a Hulkbuster suit or something? Maybe he bought some armors from Iron Man. Yeah, he has some high-tech robotic tech. My god. So, how am I supposed to defeat these things? Should I just dodge them? Okay, I should just dodge them. Oh wait, I can even web them up. I can throw them. Hey, yo. Oh, okay. I have to break that glass. Let's throw this machine too onto his expensive mirror.
How is this happening?
What do you mean, how is it happening? Didn't study physics? You don't know about physics? Oh, wait. Wasn't he supposed to be a normal human? I thought he was a normal human. But this guy has some crazy strength. Did you took some drugs or something? Maybe some steroids? I don't know, bro. I can't even punch him normally. Oh shit! Oh, dude, look at that pillar! He broke that pillar! Damn! How are you doing that, buddy? Oh shit! Hey, you chill! I'm not here to kiss you, come on! I'm straight, okay? This guy is really tough to defeat! But why, bro? Why are you so strong? You're supposed to be a simple human! Hey, yo! Am I dying? I don't wanna die, come on! It's the animation of me getting killed or something? Please no. Come on, I can defeat this fat ass. Okay, Spider-Man hasn't given up yet. Spider-Man never gives up. Because he's the protector. Oh wait, this guy even brought some of his thugs. Okay, let me just defeat them first, then I will defeat you. Now, let me tell you how I defeated him. So, I webbed him up, landed a few punches, then he raged towards me like a bull. But then I webbed him up again, but in the air this time, and landed few more punches. Then we smelled each other's breath. But suddenly, he picked me up and smashed me into the ground. And his punches were so hard that even the ground broke. But taking advantage of the situation, I broke the ground once more. And suddenly, he picked me up once again and threw me off the bridge. But I got back up, and in return, I also pushed him from the bridge. And while we were falling, I thought to myself, why don't punch this guy in the air? And the floor broke again. But then again, I thought, why don't recreate the iconic kiss scene?
So, should we kiss now? Yeah, maybe later.
And before I knew it, I saw him walking into the police van. Finally, the chapter of his kiss closed. Now, the video is too long, so we'll meet in another video. Till then, take care and bye-bye.